Good morning, good afternoon, good day, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the first Signature FX video of this very prosperous 2018. It's yours truly, Padias Grove, or the trader now identifying himself as Marley Holiday. I want to take a second to explain this to you. After many direct messages, I'll be honest with you and let you know that I would like to keep my identity confidential for personal and family reasons. Please do not let this distract you from what we have in store this coming year. Signature FX are yours truly, Marley Holiday and Andrew Ibrahim. And unlike myself, Andrew doesn't mind the social media spotlight. I like to think of us as Wozniak and Jobs. So please do not be surprised if you see Andrew sporting a black turtleneck in the next Signature FX video. What do we have in store for you today? Well, I'm glad you're thinking that, because today we have a jam-packed video for your enjoyment. At the start of every year, we like to put our analytical skills to the test and make what we call the call of the year. Here at Signature FX, we see 2018 as a great and incredible year for cryptos. We're gonna see some strong bull prices as well in other markets such as oil and gold. If we had to pick a number at the end of 2018, we'd say that Bitcoin will rise to $35,000, which will be a rise of approximately $24,000 or 220% from today's price of $12,658. If we had to pick a price for oil closed on Friday at $65, and we see oil finishing up the year around $90. That would be an increase of $25 or approximately 40% from the last prices. And lastly, with gold, we see gold finishing off the year at approximately $1,600. That would be an increase of $270 or so, or 20% from Friday's close at around $1,300. We will check back with these prices at the end of the year and see how close or how far away our analysis was. We always like to have an inspirational quote in our videos, and today's inspirational quote comes all the way from the Valley of Swansea. It goes like this: "Ambition is critical." And that's by Dylan Thomas. I think that we can all agree that quote speaks for itself. Let's have a look at the trade that we took on Ripple, symbol XRP. From the analysis on the daily chart, we were seeing that XRP was on a downtrend, struggling to break up past $2. It went on to break vertical support using price action as our primary analysis. With addition, there was also some rumors of crypto bans coming out of South Korea. And we also saw the RSI as a secondary indicator, helping us to decide to take this short position. That's exactly what we did. When trading cryptos, we only use the daily time frame due to the volatility and professionally mark up our trades on a monthly time frame. We also use quarters theory for horizontal support and resistance. Have a look at where we entered and where we exit. So we entered at $2.15, and that was a short position, and then we bought back at $1.6327. That was a profit of $514.74. And this essentially shows you the ins and outs of entering a short position on the crypto market. Andrew will do a short video coming out soon showing how we mark up our charts using quarters theory for cryptos and how we try to identify the institutional positions taken. Please make sure that you check back for Andrew's videos, because those are ones that you do not want to miss. We'd also like to just remind you not to confuse our trading with hodling. We have two sets of strategies. One is scalping, where we have short-term strategies where we're trying to catch breakouts and corrections. We also hodl the majority of our coins as we look to the future of blockchain and the impact that it's going to be having on the banking system in the next 5 to 10 years. I am a strong proponent of not selling cryptos just yet. We still have a long way to go on this crypto wave, and you don't want to get out of the water too early. A few coins that we are looking at hodling within our Blockfolio accounts are Verge, Ripple, Voxels, Tron, Salt, Omise Go, Neo, Litecoin, Hempcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Red, ARK, and Cardano. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel because we are constantly adding ICOs and other coins that we think could possibly pose a good opportunity in future videos. Here at Signature FX, we're purchasing most of our altcoins through Binance. It's been quite hard to get registered lately, but please be patient and keep checking the site as they are opening new registrations daily. We have provided our Binance registration link in the description below. For trading the cryptos, we're using JeffFX, and we have provided our registration link for JeffFX in the description below. By using our referral links, we'll be with you every step of the way from registering through the verification process and purchasing your first altcoins. We're getting ready to wrap up this video, but before we do, we'd like to take a very quick look at the Euro-Dollar trade that we made back on the 2nd of December in our episode 5 video. We also provided an update to that Euro-Dollar buy in episode 7 and episode 8. I highly recommend, if you haven't watched those videos, that you take the time to go back and watch the entry and how we set up that buy position into the Euro US dollar. In summary, and this will make sense once you watch those episode 5, episode 7, and episode 8 videos. We entered 1% at 1.1822 on the 2nd of December. So that would put us around, in and around here. We said we want to get in at this yellow line. So we said we'd put a buy limit underneath the market price at 1.1822. 1% of our account, and that was triggered. Stop loss was down a bit lower at 1.1540. So we entered the market 1% at 1.1822, and then we said, you know what, on our episode 7 video on December the 11th, we said we'd like to enter in another 1% of our account because we could see this going a bit lower. And sure enough, we got triggered on that 1% at 1.1725. So our average in price was smack dab in the middle, 2% at 1.1774, and our stop loss was 1.1540. What happened after that? We saw a very nice uptrend, and we closed at 1.2222, which is an incredible increase, and we intend to hold this trade for the next few days at the very least. What are we going to do next? We're going to hold on to this trade until we see the price test 1.25. Remember, we got in, averaged in at 2% of our account at 1.1774. Please remember that this is not financial advice. Please seek your own independent financial advice before entering any trades. Please take a moment to click the subscription button. You can write us a comment. Make sure to share this video with family and friends, and also follow us on social media. All our social media links and registration links are conveniently provided for you in our description to this video. Thank you for your time and attention, and until next time, happy trading.